These guys are out of control. Somebody's gonna get hurt, I think.
That's sweet.
Okay.
This is sugar cane.
Sugar cane,
sugar
okay.
cane tastes so good.
And what is the reason for this one?
This is our traditional welcome in our house.
Okay, thank you. We feel very welcome.
Thank you. This is for good luck.
Right
Okay.
hand.
Right hand for good luck?
Yes.
Okay.
For the woman is the left hand.
For the woman is the left hand, for the man is right hand.
Okay, thank you. So today we're staying at Chhotaram, Prajapat Homestay
Yeah.
From Salawas.
from Salawas.
Yeah.
So how do you say that without screwing it up like we did? Chhotaram, Prajapat
Prajapat
Homestay.
Homestay from Salawas.
Okay, perfect. That's much better than I say it. Let's go.
Ooh, I look like an Indian girl.
You got a piece of rice on your head as well.
You do.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Because you're the man.
I'm the man. I got the bigger red dot.
You know, like the red dot on the forehead is can also mean you're married, but this is maybe for the.
Cut.
How long have you been doing this resource?
We start our homestays since 2009.
So long time now.
Yeah, but it's a very traditional accommodation here.
Beautiful.
It's one of the first homestay in Rajasthan. Who's supporting to the rural tourism in India.
We're looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're getting one masala tea,
This is our masala chai.
masala chai to be welcomed with. Thank you. So nice.
How to say thank you in India?
Dhanyavad.
Oh my god.
Practice.
Dhanyavad.
Danian what?
Dhanyavad.
Daniel what? I can't
You can say Dhanyavad.
Danya? Danyawad.
Right.
Daniel?
Dhanyavad.
What?
Danyawad.
Yes.
Danian what? It's quite hard than namaste.
Namaste is more common. It's more
Yeah,
easy,
yeah.
right? We always have the cows for our milk. We get the milk from in the morning and the evening. But during the day, we don't want to keep it very tight in the house and keep it inside the house. We want they go outside to meet their friends. So we just leave them in the countryside in a farm. So they don't eat plastics or garbage here on the street. So we leave them in the countryside there in the morning. But around afternoon or 3-4 o'clock, they know what time their milking time. They will come back to their home.
When I was
You
you
can
talking,
see that.
yeah, you were talking to them. They're walking like so
She
cool.
just she will not listen.
No.
I will tell them, don't come. Anyway, she will come because if she want to drink or she want to eat.
Oh, he come to the owner. Ah.
She don't like you.
She like my hand. Le, Monkey,
But like with me, it was like.
come.
She don't like you.
Here we cook our meal. Always on open fire like this. Our cooking is very authentic. We cook for the cooking. We using for the fire cow dung and dry wood for the fuel. So here we cook our meal.
I'm looking forward to eat this.
We will love it, this food, which is
Yes.
organic.
Beautiful.
We have always organic, fresh food from the village only. We don't buy any plastic bags and serve the guests. We get and we serve.
The thing is, you cook from like that wood.
Yes.
It make the food smell more nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
you get the real taste.
Yeah.
This is your house.
Okay.
You come inside. You come inside.
Wow. Beautiful, baby.
You like it?
Yes.
And see this is made of natural things, clay, cow dung. And on the thatch roof is just grass.
Beautiful.
And look at this huge bathroom. Look at that.
I wasn't expecting
Wow.
this bathroom.
With the beautiful hot and cold shower as well there.
Oh, lovely. I wasn't expecting it to
Yeah.
have a bathroom. I told her it was like maybe we share.
One year
or-
shit. because we live in the tent before. And
No, in this house especially we made it. You can travel everywhere in Rajasthan, I can guarantee you will not find anywhere in an authentic traditional house bathroom is inside. in every house. You will only find in our place.
Very
In our
nice.
homestays.
This is the place to visit.
Thank you. So switch is here
Okay.
for the hot water, and for the hot water, cold water we have solar from the solar power.
Okay.
So 24 hours you can have hot water, you can have cold water. You don't need to take permission from anybody. You can get whenever you want. So bathroom is here, toilet paper is there, towels are here, and nice and big comfortable beds here.
Yeah, the
Oh
bed's
my
nice.
god, the
Love
bed's
it.
so soft.
You will love it to sleeping on this.
Oh my god, it's so soft. Look. I'm so soft.
And this room will keep you very, when outside is very hot, this will keep you nice and cold. When outside is very cold, this will keep you nice and warm inside.
Perfect.
I love you.
You're so excited. It's clay and cow poo.
Huh?
It's made of clay and cow poo
Why would it make cow poo?
to make it stick.
Really? I was thinking like, why like so many glass on here? Like, where does it come from? It's cow poo? Does it smell? No, there's no smell. Was it natural colors? I love it. Amazing. But man, the toilet shocked me.
Yeah.
When he said like the big, you know what I expect? Like,
I thought he was playing games. I thought he was like, this is the big toilet. Like I thought,
Yeah.
this guy's like so small, and he's like just making out that it's big, but it's really so small.
You know what I expect like from here to here? Like, seriously,
Yeah.
what I expect like.
And you walk in.
I expect like this big, but then
Wow. Look, this. So we're gonna see how they're gonna cook the lunch.
Millet.
Millet chapati.
Yeah. Millet chapati. You from?
French.
French. No,
Australia.
French. Australia.
And Thailand, yes.
There's lots of kangaroos.
Lots of kangaroos.
What is your name? Sai.
yes.
And you?
Adam.
Adam.
And your name?
Mamta.
Mamta.
Yeah.
Mamta.
Hungry?
Yes.
Hungry and angry.
Hungry. Not angry.
Not angry, no. We're happy. How long have you been married?
11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
Wow. And how old are you?
29.
29.
Yeah.
Oh. You got married when you're 18.
Yeah. Very
Beautiful.
young time.
Good, very good. It's all organic, sourced very locally.
Can I eat
With
now?
turmeric. Yes, let's try this. It's the first time we're going to try the meal here.
I'm gonna try with the.
But if you are missing some spices, you take this chutney.
And I'm gonna try this one.
Good. How do you like the food?
I love it. This one's so good.
So where will we go now?
We are going to the charity of the cows.
Okay.
There are more than 400 cows which belong to nobody, but villages people feed them. They try to collect the donation and buy the grass for them, and they feed them there. So we also doing something like that. We are making a special sweet for the cows because tomorrow is a special day for us. So why not we can make something special for the cows?
Yeah, nice. We're happy we can participate.
Oh, thank you very much. This is charity for the cows. You can see here.
Yes. Wow.
Do you think the cow gonna like
Come.
me?
Please.
Ladies first.
You can see everywhere. Many cows over there. You can see that.
400.
There are more than 400 cows.
Yeah.
My nail hurt you?
This is the recipe for real. Tastes good?
Taste is very good.
Okay, nice. So this is the finished product. Now we'll leave it overnight to cool, and then tomorrow we're gonna wake up early. And it's not to eat, Sai.
I want to smell it.
Tomorrow we'll wake up early and we're gonna feed the cows this one.
Can I eat it? It's gonna be my first time making chapati.
Yeah. Look there. Look there. How do you make? Is this? Oh, you make.
Okay.
Can I see? Wow, in video. You's working in
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Nice. Wow. YouTube channel.
YouTube, yes.
Oh, nice. It's very famous and popular in the YouTube channel. Everybody's looking. Oh, nice. Very nice. Sarah. Sarah? Sai. Sai. Very nice. Yes, sure. Wow, very perfect and round. Wow.
She's a good
You
cook.
first time make?
Yes.
Oh, very nice.
But I like cooking.
Really? Oh.
Wow, the husband will
Okay.
be very lucky.
Finish. Oh, very nice.
How'd you go? How many did you make me? 3? I wanted 4. Back to the kitchen.
Can I play with the baby?
No, don't get any ideas.
You are hungry?
Sai eats a lot. Okay, so all the food has been prepared fresh. And this,
Always fresh.
this is what we're gonna eat. So what do we got to eat tonight?
This is a lentil dal,
Lentil dal.
wheat chapati, water cucumber vegetable. This is khichdi. This is sweet.
Okay.
This is a special dish of festival.
ये वाली सब्जी निकाल लो
Good food.
You name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yes, your name?
My name is Dolaram Wagila.
Say it one more time.
Huh?
Say it again. What? Dollar?
DOLARM.
Okay. Look, he's got the dog.
You not dangerous. You are beautiful. Dangerous. Oh, he heart pouting.
Are you here? He's scared.
His heart pouting.
It's not counting.
Okay. 1,000 rupees.
What?
1,000 rupees.
He's trying to sell you the dog? Okay.
Festival this
Sai is the most popular girl with all the boys.
You name? Sai. What's your name? My name is Dolaram Wagila. Oh my god.
Oh my god, किस लिए?
Can you tell me your name again?
Dolaram Wagila. Dolaram Wagila. Dolaram.
Doraram.
Hey. It's so
कैसे
painful.
तुम्हारा नाम ये सब?
You Sai?
Sai.
Adam.
Husband.
Yeah, Adam.
Adam.
And you?
Sai Adam.
Yeah. And you again?
Sai.
Slowly, your name.
Dolaram.
Doraram.
Yes. Dolaram.
Doraram.
Yes. Dolaram.
Doraram.
Yes. साहब का कैसा नाम है? Sai. And नाम कौन? Aram. Sai Aram.
Yeah.
Easy.
Sai and Aram.
Just call me black.
Black.
So racist. He called you black?
Yeah. I asked them like, guess where I come from. I look similar like you. And then he said black, and I was like, oh. And I walk away.
We're gonna break this one down. Australia. Team safe. A bit of a problem. Make it bigger. Okay. Ali. Yeah. These guys are out of control. Somebody's gonna get hurt, I think. Dollar. Here's the cheeky one. To make the holy go. That wraps up another beautiful day in India, and can't think of a better way to finish this video than right now. So until next time, dream bigger, much sooner. Peace. So after a 7-hour bus trip, this is how Sai tests the bed. Gonna wake up?
No.